What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful E350e AMG line that we have in graphite grey. Now let's take a look at how beautiful this car actually looks. Now the graphite grey is a stunning color to me. It looks like black when it's at night, but when the light hits the car you clearly can see it's not black, it's actually graphite grey. So beautiful looking, right? How the way it appears to be with the chrome, then there's some grey, and then there's a little bit of black which is on top, maybe if it's a glass roof. But check out how beautiful it actually appears to be. Now let's move on to the first thing, which is the lights that we have for this unit. Now digital lights is what's given for the Mercedes-Benz E350e. Mercedes-Benz wording on the LED right there, digital lights right there. This one lights up, these two glasses also light up when the daytime running lights are on. Mercedes-Benz logo at the front right here, black and silver, graphite grey, as you can see, beautiful. You got an amazing front grille. I love this grille, how it looks like, because there's this Mercedes-Benz emblems that we have, small mini ones all over the place. Beautiful started grille. This chrome lining on the ring side, amazing. You got a chrome lining right here, and also your Mercedes logo is with a glass, so you can't really feel the logo. So stunning. You got this 360 camera located right here. Your number plate goes here, and also this chrome lining at the front that we have, together with some aggressive looking front bumpers. As you can see, there's some opening here for air to flow through. This black gloss finish with a graphite grey bumper with a mixture of some matte dark black finishes that we have on the particular car, together with some black finishes that we have all over the front grille. Check out how aggressive it looks, absolutely beautiful. Now the front hood, as you can see, has these linings that we have on the front hood, so it looks really stunning and aggressive depending on where you actually stand, right? Can you see how it waves and goes? So it looks really aggressive at the same time. Now let's move to the wheels. The wheels on these are Michelin tires. The size of it is 245/40R20. The rims are stunning in its own way, multi-spoke wheels. You got your Mercedes-Benz brake calipers hidden right at the back there. These are drill disc brakes, so amazing in terms of braking. And also my favorite is that they have an AMG wording on the rim, which is kind of cool, on the wheel actually, yeah. So beautiful design. So check out the chrome that we have from the front all the way to the back of the car from the side, right? So there's a lot of chrome stuff happening all over the car, especially on the side right here. And then the door handles, check out the mirror, graphite grey mirror. Turn indicators are right here, and then also you get your 360 camera located down there. So if we push this, we open up, let's check out the doors. So you get your leather finishing all over the place. You get this particular lighted up in a way depending on what light you want to use. You get your handles over there, you get your seat adjustment over here, memory seats, and also your heated and ventilated seats, together with your handle to open up and close the door if you wish, windows to wind up and down, and also your Burmester sound system that's located right there. Compartment storage for your door as well, and then Mercedes-Benz wording at the side steps, AMG wording on the carpet. Now check out the interior, man. It is looking fantastic. Got some grey lining that we have on the seats, as you can see. Got some grey stitching on the black. And check out how it hugs you, right? One look at it, you already know that when you sit in this, it's going to grip you really well. Now let's take a seat on the inside. Now ignore this plastic because it's a new car, so we don't want to remove anything. But check out how beautiful the interior actually looks, man. Stunning. Very much stunning indeed. You have all sorts of different kind of storages everywhere for you to store some stuff. Now this is me sitting in the front seat, comfortably sitting with the seat belt on, even right here. So as well, as you can see, comfortable. Okay, with the seat moved comfortably. Now as you can see, left and right, very nice. This is me sitting right in the center. Seat belts are black. Cool, man. So we are moving to the right seat right now. You have your amazing shade that we have already up. Now let's open up the doors. These are the front driver's seat already adjusted, super cool. Let's get down. Oh yeah, wait, before that, take a look at the rear. Amazing space. So let's move to the driver's seat that's already open. You got your Mercedes-Benz plate for the door. You got the AMG wording at the carpet. Amazing pedals, guys. Fantastic. Sport pedals, right? Boot opening is right here. You will also get your child lock for the windows, shade for the rear, window adjustments here, side mirror adjustments, folding of the side mirror, door handle to open up, lock unlock is over here, seat adjustment. You also get your memory seats, your heated and cooling, Burmester sound system right here, including here. Now before we get to the interior, let's open up the boot. So boot has already been opened. Check out the rear space. Okay, you can fold down the seats. Check it out. Amazing storage compartment. A lot of space, man. Check that out. Beautiful. So let's fold down the boot. Cool, man. You got some chrome lining all over from the left to the right, going all the way there to the end of the light. You got the E350e badging on the left, Mercedes-Benz logo in the center. You got some chrome finishes right here, all over until the back. Amazing rear diffuser. You got two exhaust pipes, one on there, one on there. And let's take a seat at the driver side. Now, this is me sitting comfortably right here. So if I put my hand on the steering wheel, as you can see, this is exactly comfortably my way of sitting. But let's take a look at the steering wheel. So let's push the steering wheel a little bit to the back because it's a bit too out front. Nice. Now these are nice. Okay, cool. So settings right here on the steering is to adjust for that screen. You got these ones like answering call, rejecting call, volume, favorite button, voice command for other stuff. Here for that screen, you got these like cancelling, reset, setting up your cruise control, and also your speed limit, and also the distance between you and the front car is located here. Amazing center logo. I love the flat bottom steering that they have for the AMG cars, right? So AMG line is fantastic. So you got your lighting adjustments over here, your handbrake is over here. Air vent adjustments over here, cool, man. So very clean like design, super sleek. Gear, drive, reverse, P, and also you get your signals together with your high beam, and also your wiper is over here as well. Cool. Now let's take a look at the front light. Hopefully the lights are turned on. If we can turn that on. One more. So right now, as you can see, the daytime running lights are already on. The lights are lighted up at the top and also at the bottom. As you can see, looks really nice. Very clean like design. I love how the finishing of this car actually looks. So we also have the rear. Let's take a look at the rear. So these finishing, this Mercedes-Benz logo right in the lights, right? Super cool. When you step on the brakes, the lights light up all over the place here. Check it out. Beautiful graphite grey, right? Amazing, amazing layout. So now let's turn on hazard lights for you guys to have a look. Signal lights right at the mirror. You got some here. The bottom piece still remains white, as you can see. Beautiful design. Amazing look. So now let's move to the rear. You'll be able to find this. Turn indicators at the bottom. You also get brake lights over here. Beautiful design, guys. Awesome. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ so you can find out more about their models right here. And this is the graphite grey. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.